Hi guys, so I wanted to talk to you about this really great product from Peticare. It is a nail clipper for your pets, and it's really cool because it has a magnifier on it. Not only that, but it lights up. It's got a really cool LED light, which is awesome when you're clipping your pet's nails, because if you've ever noticed, there's a little vein in there that kind of is a little hard to see. And this allows you not only to get a better look at it, but it lights it up and illuminates it so that you can safely trim your cat's nails or your dog's nails without hitting that vein. So I'm going to grab my little kitty right now and we're going to give it a go. One of my favorite things about this trimmer is that the magnifier also saves your nail clippings. So all you have to do is just give it a little tiny squeeze and the light comes on. You can put your cat's nail in there, you can see where the vein is, and clip. The great thing about the light is that it really allows me to get as short as I can when cutting her nails without clipping the vein, which is really helpful because I never really cut her nails very short because I'm always scared. And now she can go longer between nail clippings. You're doing so good, Mama. Easy peasy, and all of the nails are stored right inside. I hope this was helpful.